kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. Hi, how's it going? Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood. Another unboxing for you. These ones are pretty special. These are a Bejeweled 708. So yeah, the title pretty much gives away what they are. But let's pull them out because they are stunning. That's just a train, the distance, the noise. Alright, are you ready for this? Woof. Woof. Wow. Wow. That's really just amazing. We'll put up the other one as well. Then we'll have a look at them closer. So these, as you can tell, are just absolutely smothered in rhinestones. They come with some extra rhinestones in the bag as well, which is always fantastic. These are top of the range, like just top, sorry. Oh, don't want the paper to fly away. All the diamantes are hand placed onto these shoes, and they're all multi-sized, and the colors bouncing off them are absolutely beautiful. These are stunning shoes, and of course they've got the clear straps as well, which is very, very popular. Oh, they're so pretty. So these ones are a 7-inch, and we'll try them on. Go for a walk in the sunlight. Ooh. Put this one on. Oops. There we go. This one. And number 2. So yeah, we're outside once again because we are packed in the shop today. It is absolutely booming in there. And it's a beautiful day out here. The sunlight is gorgeous. Oh, nearly there. Oh, alright. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, wow. Let's take them on a little walk. Oh, they're gonna do like the disco lights on the floor as well. The only bad thing about wearing these shoes is that you can't see the sparkles from up the top. Oh wow. I feel pretty in these shoes. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. So pretty. Can you like see all the sparkles on the floor in the shadow as well? They're everywhere. It's just everywhere. They're just, I don't even have words. Oh my goodness. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. They're so pretty. They're just... Oh. They're just gorgeous. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. You could wear these anywhere. They're diamonds. You don't need an excuse to wear these. Wear them shopping. Just do it. They are, oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Well, I hope you liked this video as much as I liked wearing these shoes. Leave us a comment, tell us what you think. Tell us what your favourite kind of shoe is, of course, and what shoes you'd like to see more of. And yeah, hit the notification bell, hit subscribe, keep up with all of our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.